Hello and welcome to Microsoft Hates Greg. My name is Greg Deckler, and today it's Thanksgiving, and so I wanted to take a moment. It's Thanksgiving in the United States, big holiday over here. I wanted to take a moment and just reflect on things that I had to be thankful for. Um, and I have a lot to be thankful for. I'm very blessed, and my I'm very thankful for my son and my family. We just have I have I'm a I don't know what my niece just had a baby just like 2 days ago. So she came out, 10 fingers, 10 toes, all that stuff. So very thankful for all that. But I'm very thankful for all my subscribers here on YouTube. I mean, it's just crazy to me that I have over 2,000 subscribers on YouTube. I never thought I'd have 200, let alone 2,000. So very lucky for that. Very thankful for all of my patrons over on my Patreon where I'm writing my books. There's like 56. I started that thing. I thought like it'd be fun if I can get like 5 or 10 people to be able to write help me write this book with me as a community. And it's like I have over 50 people there. It's just phenomenally blessed and lucky. And I'm so thankful for it. And I'm really what I you know I'm really thankful that I get to write the kind of and do the kind of content that I want to do, and not beholden to anybody. I can just express my real opinions about things, and that's not something felt I was able to do for a good 7 year period of my life. And it's hard to describe just how amazing it is to be free of that kind of burden and be able to just hey, if I have an opinion on something, here's what I'm just going to let it out there and talk about it. So being able to have that kind of creative freedom to be able to put out whatever content that you want, in whatever form, in whatever opinions you want to express, is the greatest feeling in the world, and I'm so thankful for it. I've got some great content coming up. I've got some more theme generators, BIBB. I'm getting to you. I've got some more Power BI alternatives, Apache supersets, Grafana. Right, I'm going to be covering Pentaho. I swear, I'm getting to it. There's just a lot with Pentaho to unpack. So hopefully this long weekend will let me do that. I built a connector for Monday.com, so I share some of that. And we got some more themes videos and that sort of thing. So lots of great content coming up. Hoping to continue on with the series, especially with the Power BI alternatives. And but just wanted to take a moment out and thank everybody. Thank you very much from the bottom of my heart for subscribing, for being a Patreon or patron. Right, I really appreciate everybody. And hope everybody if you're celebrating Thanksgiving, hope you have a great Thanksgiving. Travel safe, and if you're not, I still, be healthy, stay safe, and be thankful for what you have in life. So that's all I had for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.